So I have here a 36-second video. How do I know 36 seconds? I can know the length of the video in many ways. One, by looking down right here, I see 0.36.2, or I scroll to the end and I see it's short. That didn't help. Or I long press the video. So you see, I've pressed on it long. Look, it's the same frame. Just press it for long and you see the number showing at the bottom right. This is 36. You may need to wear your glasses for this, but this is a short video. Sometimes I make long videos too. Now you see this plus button here on my left, bottom left is a plus button. If I click on it, it will ask me, do you want to add video or photo, or do you want to add something blank? I'm going to click on blank now, so you see what blank does. Now I have blank. It's now black. You get, I can click on it. When you click on something, it will have two wings like pad. So if I stop clicking on it, I've removed my hand from it. Be looking down as I'm doing this, please. I clicked on it. I see it's 3 seconds. You get, when you click on it, a white line and wings appear around it. When you move your hand, it disappears. So I've clicked on it now. That means I can do anything to it. That means this is the frame I'm working on. These things are called frames. I've clicked on myself now. I've clicked back on the blank. They are called frames. If I want the blank to go at the back of after my own video, I will long press it. Now the two frames are there. So that means if I have like 50 frames, they will all appear here now. So now I have only 2 frames. So I'm going to move it because it's the one with the white background. It's the one with the white edge, white frame. I can now move it left and right. I can also move mine. Anyone you touch, you can move. So now you can decide if you want this video, the blank, to be in the front or at the back. Now let me change the color of my blank because I can do anything. I'll take my blank and I want it to be this color. I want it to be this. You can change your blank to anything. You can do anything you want with the blank. For example, if I want to just draw like a simple cartoon, what I'm doing now, I'm just playing with colors. I haven't chosen. See, this is what I'm doing to the blank. Now you will see pinch to zoom in. I'm not using that now because you won't notice it's just one color. And it says here, here you have a double arrow, double tick. Here you have one tick. On my left, I don't know left and right, remember. On my left, I have double tick. On my right, I have single tick. So then under blur, I have to click on a picture in order to use the blur. This is the same blank. Oh, just imagine what blank can do. That means I can pick any picture here. Here's a picture of me. Now, this picture is now the background. I can decide if I want to use, you say pinch to zoom in. That means, okay, you can't do anything with background that you added, sorry. So I can use it as a blur. So now I'm using the color blurred. If I don't want it again, I'll click on the dustbin and I'll pick any color I want. Okay, later I'll show you how to use the color picker, but not now. So now the double tick is if I have many frames like this and I want them all to be this same color that I'm doing here. But if not, I'll click on the tick on my right. Here we go. Let me say I want this to be the intro of my video. This is the part where I can now put anything. I went to stickers in case you're wondering what I clicked on. I clicked on stickers. You still learn all these things later, but I'm just trying to show you what this thing is good for. So I want to put okay, don't worry, I'm just trying to show you things you can do with blank. I've put a sticker and then I'll put mommy's blog. Okay, I can change this to anything I want it to be, any font I want, any color I want. Let's keep it white. I want it to have like a yellow glow. It's too much. So mommy's blog. I want mommy's blog to show up in a beautiful way. I want it to be slow. So you see what I've done with a blank now. Now, even though I've written on it, I can still change the color of the blank. It's now purple. I told my mom. So you see, I can still add more things to this same blank just to show you that a blank can be anything. So this is a video I just added. I want to put a white edge on the video now. I'll put the video here. I told my mom I don't want the sound of the video. I click on speaker and reduce. I don't want the background of the video. I will click on cutout. Something here is called cutout. If you ask me, do you want to cut out or you want chroma? I'll click on cutout. Now I'm no more there. Remember, I'm still trying to design this thing for you. Now I don't want the white edge to show again because it's spoiling the beauty of what I just did. So I'm going to click on block. You see, we did all this with a blank this thing. I told my mom. I did not tell my mom anything. So this is the blank. You see how it works. You can do anything you want with it. You can do anything you want with a blank. Anything you want with a blank. Blanks are just blanks, but they are very, very powerful. Now I'm going to show you what to do with the undo. Now you see that I put mommy's blog and this. I've removed my picture. The last action now was that I removed my video that was on top. So if I click on undo, that means my video is coming back. Do you understand now? If I click on redo, that means take my video out. I don't want. So now I'm going to remove this text and put it back with undo. I'll remove it by clicking on the dustbin. I'll click on what I want. Remember to click on what you want to work on, and I'll click on dustbin. Okay, but I can put it back. Now InShot has made it possible that anywhere I move this blank to, all the text I put on it will follow. So now what I just did all the time has gone to the back after the video, and I can still move it to the front of the video. I told my mom I can't. So you see, so if I want to, anyway, that's that for this introduction. I'm just showing you how to play with blanks. If I delete this blank, everything I put with it will go. So let me delete the blank. In the next video, I'll show you how I'm going to work on this 36-second video. I can split it, I can make it fast, I can remove the sound. We're not doing music and sound today. Sure you get. I'm also going to show you how I can rotate it if I want. It's all easy. Just click on rotate or flip. It's so easy. Everything on the icon here already has the name on it, has the word on it, so it's so easy for you to just click on anyone and explore. But the one you may not understand is canvas, so I will try teaching you canvas in the next video.